This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 58 of Building Robocop. In this issue, this is the quick build issue. We're doing a little bit more work on the stand and finishing off his bottom area, shall we say. After looking through the magazine as ever, we've got Ed 209, loyal as a puppy. Quite a big, angry puppy, but yes, definitely a puppy. Not very intelligent. Loyal as a puppy. Cool stuff. There we go. Ed 209 for all audiences. Yeah, follows the tone of previous films. Changed in its behaviour. Only acts on 2 occasions. First, to launch rockets at a door. Rockets that do not explode but simply penetrate. And second, where he repeatedly throws a police car. So yes, he doesn't, not as bloody. So yes, this is the support clamp, or half of it, which we're preparing, and we're putting in the final piece on the pelvis area. So yeah, that's all we've got to do on that one. So it won't take very long at all. And that'll be ready to support the lower half of it, at least, once we get that ready and built. Patrick, inspired by a starfish. Oh, adapted to uneven environments. Yeah, it'll work. Nanotechnology, yeah, that's again not quite realistic, but that sort of thing. That's what we're aiming at. Nice things. Future is nano. Yeah, I can see nanotechnology working for everything. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this quick build built quickly. So we've got our final piece of the puzzle and our little foam piece to fit. So let's get the final piece put together. We've got this to fit onto the area. Slide that in place. It has to be the right way up, so we get it the right way around. The right corner piece going into the right place. I had it the wrong way up. Talking about getting it the right way up and then get it the wrong way up. So that goes in there, as long as you don't look too closely, which you wouldn't be looking too closely anyway, would you? It's fine. There we go. That's that done. And then we've just got this piece to do. We're going to use one of these little felt sticky pads to protect Robocop when this grabs him and holds him in place. So we'll work it in from one side. Get it stuck down. Just like that. So that will be able to grab him around the waist next time. Well, next time when we get the middle piece, and there's going to be a spring in there as well. So we'll save that because we might need that. I'm sure it'll come with more. But that's it for this one. So another quick build done. We'll see you for more very soon. There's no more in this delivery, so I shall see you for more when the next pack arrives in about a month. But other than that, watch any other partworks that I have available on the channel. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.